Hey, happy workday break time. I'm in another dress and I am going to do a little mobility drill. Today it is Monday. Monday's a little bit harder to get up early. I did go to the gym and did some sled pushes this morning and some rope slams, but now it's afternoon and I always say breakfast, lunch, dinner does not mean meal times, it means move times. And it's 12:10 p.m. I'm getting a little tired of working on my computer. I had calls all morning and I need a brain break. So I am going to do a little demo with you. If you have a BOSU, this is such a great investment. You can do so much on it. Just inflate it. BOSU stands for both sides up. That is a great tool to do all sorts of things. So today we're going to do a little core work, a little Pilates. 30-second timer. I have this HIIT timer. Just click on it. It'll go 30 seconds or whatever time you set it for. I set for 30. And we're going to run through and just do a little more stretching and kind of get a little energy going here. Dragging. So I'm, again, not in total workout clothes. I'm not doing the blood flow restrictor bands right now. I just wanted to come up and do a quick stretch. So timer, if you have a BOSU, join me. You can do one set through. I'm just going to do a quick little demo and then try to do another round or 2 or 3 rounds depending on your schedule, or as I did the other day, break it up. Movement breaks, exercise snacks. All right, here we go. Ready? Let's do 30 seconds of sitting towards the floor. My butt's on the floor. And I want to go over the top. I'm going to support my head. Ready, set, go. So think about opening up. Oh, that feels so good. Inhale up. So my butt's on the floor right now, but I can do a little bit more stretch if I sit a little bit higher. So now here's my position with my fancy work attire. So exhaling, now supporting the head. Make sure you find that range of motion that's pain-free. A lot of people have tight traps and neck, but just if you've been working on a computer all morning or on your desk, just get a nice stretch. Okay, now let's go sideways. Bottom knees bent and get right in the middle. Think about reaching overhead and then coming back. Okay, so we've got the kettlebells in the way. So arm overhead, nice stretch, and then I'm going to lift up. I'm going to reach overhead, lengthen through that side. Now the trick is on here is getting right in the center of the BOSU. I don't want to be too far back because then I'll fall backwards. Same thing, too far forward. So find that right spot. Okay, so let's do one more. And then flip around to get the other side. This time I'm going to do a little different. You can do a ball weight. This is a Stop Pilates ball, 3 pounds. And then try here on the other side. I'm just sharing another option. So arm reaches over, gentle on this one because it's a lot more weight, even though it's just 3 pounds. Nice stretch. Coming up, now I'm going to exhale. Inhale overhead, reach and lengthen through that side body. Coming up. So you can even do 1 pound weight. Can be a lot here because this is very tight. 3 pounds might be heavy for you. And then come up. Okay, so sometimes I call this around the world. Just rotate. So on the belly, I'm going to put my hands on the dome. I'm going to push myself up into a plank. Come down. Arms can go straight, wide, or wider. And then core is going to lift me up. Okay, so Superman. Hands on the dome. I'm going to breathe out. Really be careful you lift your hips first off the dome. Okay, so that is 4 different ways. Side, side, facing up. Now let's do some bridging. So rolling up, rolling down. Now I'm tired because last night I had someone ask me to a fitness studio to sub Pilates for them on Thursday this week. that was Sunday night. I just met with them on Friday. It's a cute boutique studio in Solana Beach. And funny, I've not taught Pilates mat class for a long time. So think about Pilates on the BOSU here is really powerful. And then we're going to lift top leg up and down. So now I'm going to do the side and lift. So anyways, I couldn't fall asleep last night because I started to think, gosh, what if I taught Pilates mat class? How would I teach it? I literally closed my fitness studio September 30th, 2019, and I have not taught a group class since. So I moved here to North San Diego from Bellevue, and I've been focusing on my coaching clients online since then, the past 3 years, since basically March 2020. We know what happened then, and I changed to more online focus. Training clients have had, I call forever clients, but then I started doing more of my health investigated services for my athlete clients struggling to get results, or those that are optimizers. And exhale up and down. So I'm going to go to a back extension one more, and I'm sweating, so make sure you have Zoom calls and you don't have to see anyone in person. So back extension, I'm going to lift and lower. So these exercises I'm going through with you are Pilates mat combination. I kind of mix things together, yoga Pilates, using the BOSU. You can use TRX, a yoga block. So anyways, I started to think, do I miss teaching? So think about the changes we have made in our world. I'm going to stop that. Working online. And if you were like me, starting to be working remote and being on a computer, not in an office space, or for me, a gym, do you miss working with each other, being with people, being a part of a team? So for me personally, I found, well, I'd rather work part-time with some other like-minded individuals, as in this boutique fitness studio, doing my metabolic testing, coaching clients that are exercising but still need help with the other elements that I call the holistic methods. So do I miss teaching group? Maybe I do. Sometimes we need to step away from our activities we do in life, our jobs, and figure out, does that serve me well? Does that make me happier? Does it feel like I'm serving my purpose, following my mission? Does it make me excited and happy? And so that's something to think about. Are you doing what you love to do? Are you missing some things that maybe we took out in 2020 and we need to put it back in? And for me, I think that's teaching clients in person, in a group class, a small group class, doing circuit training, personal training, maybe as a sub. That might be fun for me, but I feel that I had to remove that because of my chronic stress issues, promoting my own fitness studio, and my adrenal exhaustion that started in 2013, which I shared all in my book called Life is Not a Race, It is a Journey, for a reason, to help other people as yourself that might be high performers trying to do everything yourself, and you're struggling with chronic fatigue, unexplained weight gain, inflammation in your body, joint pain, the list goes on. So the Holistic Method coaching program is what I'm focusing on, but I still need to take care of me, what makes me thrive, and that's helping you feel your best, but also being with other people might help me feel more balanced, right? Not being at home alone, talking to my iPad as I am right now. So hopefully you are doing things that make you happy. And if you're not, like I go to master swimming, that would be my social break, going to the gym, talking to other people. But we need to connect with other like-minded people a little bit more often. We got a lot of disconnection in 2020, and fast forward 2023, I think a lot of us are still working remote and not engaging in those activities we did previous to 2020. So hopefully that resonates with you. Hopefully you can go through this circuit again and figure out how you can best wake up and get energized. All right, bye.